What is Nessus? Nessus is a platform developed by Tenable that scans for security vulnerabilities in devices, applications, operating systems, cloud services and other network resources. Originally launched as an open-source tool in 1998, its Enterprise Edition became a commercial product in 2005. Nessus now encompasses several products that automate point-in-time vulnerability assessments of a network's attack surface, with the goal of enabling enterprise IT teams to stay ahead of cyber attackers by proactively identifying and fixing vulnerabilities as the tool discovers them, rather than after attackers exploit them. Nessus identifies software flaws, missing patches, malware, denial of service vulnerabilities, default passwords and misconfiguration errors, among other potential flaws. When Nessus discovers vulnerabilities, it issues an alert that IT teams can then investigate and determine what if any further action is required. Key features of Nessus. Nessus is known for its vast plugin database. These plugins are dynamically and automatically compiled in the tool to improve its scan performance and reduce the time required to assess, research and remediate vulnerabilities. Plugins can be customized to create specific checks unique to an organization's application ecosystem. Nessus contains a feature called predictive prioritization, which uses algorithms to categorize vulnerabilities by their severity to aid IT teams in determining which threats are most urgent to address. Each vulnerability is assigned a Vulnerability Priority Rating, VPR, which uses a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being the highest risk, to rate its severity: critical, high, medium or low. IT teams can also use pre-built policies and templates to quickly find vulnerabilities and understand the threat situation. Another Nessus feature is Live Results, which performs intelligent vulnerability assessment in offline mode with every plugin update. It removes the need to run a scan to validate a vulnerability, creating a more efficient process to assess, prioritize and remediate security issues. Nessus also provides the ability to create configurable reports in a variety of formats, including hypertext markup language, comma-separated values and Nessus extensfile markup language. Reports can be filtered and customized depending on what information is most useful, such as vulnerability types, vulnerabilities by host, vulnerabilities by client, etc. Another important feature is grouped view. Nessus groups similar issues or categories of vulnerabilities and presents them in one thread, enabling easier vulnerability assessments and prioritization. Meanwhile, the Nessus packet capture feature enables teams to debug and troubleshoot scanning issues quickly. In this way, it minimizes interruptions and provides continuous protection for the enterprise IT environment. Benefits of Nessus Vulnerability Scanner. New security vulnerabilities are emerging every day. Organizations need to be aware of these vulnerabilities and act proactively to prevent them from harming their assets. Nessus provides a fast, user-friendly way to find and fix vulnerabilities in many kinds of IT assets, including cloud-based and virtualized resources. As of April 2023, it covers more than 76,000 common vulnerabilities and exposures. Tenable Research, the cybersecurity research arm of Nessus manufacturer, maintains and continually updates a library of more than 185,000 plugins that can be used to augment the platform. Plugins contain scripts to identify, remediate and test for the presence of specific vulnerabilities. Tenable releases about 100 new plugins weekly and within 24 hours of vulnerability disclosure. Plugins can be downloaded through the Nessus interface or a web-based catalog. Nessus provides more than 450 pre-configured templates for commonly used vulnerability scans and configuration audits to simplify use of the platform. For example, the Audit Cloud Infrastructure template can be used to audit the configuration of Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Rackspace, Salesforce and Zoom. The interface is easy to navigate and provides a simple set of remediation actions to fix the vulnerabilities and protect the affected system. Teams can also audit configuration compliance against Center for Internet Security benchmarks and other best practices. Another benefit of Nessus is that it has a low false positive rate of 0.32 defects per 1 million scans. Too many false positives can overwhelm security teams and lead to alert fatigue, causing legitimate threats to be overlooked. Finally, Nessus is a highly portable vulnerability scanner, making it a useful tool for security professionals who are required to move between locations. Examples include penetration testers and security consultants.